Om Shri Sai Ram. I offer my most humble salutations at the divine lotus feet of our beloved Bhagwan. Shri Nimesh Pandya ji, All India President, Srimati Kamala Pandya ji, Srimati Sesibala, Neeta Khanna ji, all the Balavikas gurus, the students who are graduating, alumni of Balavikas, and the parents of all the Balavikas children. Very loving Sai Ram to each one of you, and a very happy New Year to all of you. In Prashanti calendar, we have been habituated to start the new year with this wonderful Balavikas program, the convocation which you celebrate in Prashanti Nilayam. This year, due to this pandemic, we are having this function online. But we all miss your presence in Prashanti Nilayam. Everybody in Prashanti Nilayam are missing you because our new year is to start with a great celebration with the children from different parts of the country coming to Prashanti Nilayam and placing their learning at the lotus feet of Bhagwan, the good things they have learnt at the lotus feet, good things they have learnt through their teachers. They used to come to Prashanti Nilayam like how children, after learning, going to school and learning, go back to their mother and proudly tell, Mama, today I have learned this. Same way, all the children, 4,000 to 5,000 children used to come to Prashanti Nilayam in January first week. And it used to be a great joyous occasion for all of us to see so many young children congregating into Prashanti Nilayam and taking the blessings of Bhagwan. This time, wherever you are, heartfully I pray to Bhagwan to bless you all, to guide you into your bright future. Today, all of us are going through some difficult times due to this COVID. Many children, or all the children for that matter, are at home taking online classes. This is the first time perhaps in 100 years that children are attending school from home. Thanks to technology, this has been enabled. But this has also created a lot of time to be spent with the families, to be spent with the parents. Parents got a time to spend with their children. Children got time to spend with their parents, their grandparents. And it is in such times that Swami's teachings are very, very important. In Balavikas you learn Matru Devo Bhava, Pitru Devo Bhava, Acharya Devo Bhava. Balavikas children are always unique because they go through the beautiful curriculum of Balavikas, learn about Indian culture, learn about human values, learn how to respect each other, how to respect elders, how to be useful to the society. This is the greatest gift Bhagwan has given to the mankind, because when children are molded, when young children are put in the right path, the future of the nation is secured. With a great vision, Bhagwan had commissioned this Balavikas program, and with lot of dedication. Thousands of teachers over 5 decades have participated in this beautiful program to mold the children, to give them introduction into human values, into Indian culture. Many students who did not have an opportunity to study in Swami's schools or colleges directly have greatly benefited from this Balavikas program. And today, more than 3 lakh children are going through the Balavikas program. It's something which is unparalleled anywhere in the country till date. It's all voluntarism. Nearly 20,000 Balavikas gurus who are out of their way coming to gather children and impart some knowledge, impart values, impart culture. This has been a unique system which Bhagavan had designed, and I am so grateful to all the people who have participated in this great program, all those teachers, all those people who have taken pains to continue this wonderful program for 5 decades. And I am sure this is going to be continuing for another 50 years or 100 years or forever, so that the children of this country are benefited and they get the beautiful message of Bhagavan, so that they become wonderful human beings. Balavikas, the backbone of Sri Sathya Sai organization. Balavikas was very, very dear to Swami, and he is continued to be very dear to Bhagavan, because the children from all walks of life who come into Balavikas, the Swami's message, Swami's teachings make an indelible mark on their hearts, and they really help in the long run in their lives. Though this is from 1st standard to 10th standard, they go through this Balavikas program, but to entire lifespan, this is very helpful and useful. Swami's blessings also will be continuously with them. They reflect something of Swami in their lives at every point in time. So this has been a unique program, and I'm so happy that we are continuing this saga of education, saga of a beautiful molding of children. I'm sure last 10 months has been a wonderful Balavikas class by itself for a lot of children. I'm praying to Swami, COVID should soon be cleared and all of us should be able to move about, come to Prashanti Nilayam and spend some time here. Children, like coronavirus, human beings suffer a lot of other viruses continuously. Viruses like jealousy, viruses like hatred, anger, greed, they're all viruses which plague the human beings. Swami has given a beautiful vaccines for all the viruses. You have a hatred, Swami has given a vaccine of love. If you have a virus of greed, he has given us a vaccine of generosity. If there is a virus of falsehood, the vaccine of truth. If there is a virus of adharmic acts, the vaccine is dharma. So for every virus that has affected human beings, Swami has given a beautiful vaccine. All of us should take those vaccines and internalize them so that We become wholesome human beings, very holy human beings, very loving human beings, very dharmic human beings, very truthful human beings. Children, you all have a great future. Inculcate good values, and whatever you have learned, you must practice. Swami said, less talk, more work. Practice is very important. Whatever you learn, it's only a bookish knowledge according to Swami. You have to make it into practical knowledge. Pledge yourself that whatever you learned, at least one value you will follow. The moment you do that, you will see that most of other values you are automatically following. Pledge that you will follow one value. Pick up anything, any one of them, any one thing which you learned, and say, today onwards I will follow this. That will make you a beautiful human being. You are going to be a wonderful and useful citizens of this country, and you will be able to serve the society in such a loving manner that befits Sri Satya Sai name. Wish you all the very best. May God be with you. May Swami guide your lives. May Swami be always with you in all your endeavors to make you successful. God bless you. Sai Ram.